Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Flam Liao Liao. Chapter 98, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Peiyu and Song. The two of them are having fun. Especially Song. After walking outside together with their dogs, which is called Rice Bowl. When they get tired, they go back to the Feiyu's house. And now, it seems that Song, she was really thirsty, and she was drinking a lot of water. They went inside on the house. Turns out, she did not feel better. Well, Song, just going to the bathroom. Feiyu was looking at her. Song suddenly looked back at Feiyu and said to her, "It's all the way. And I'm going to the toilet." Well, it seems that she was really hurt, right? Looking at her, she looks really uncomfortable. But for Feiyu right now, she was smiling. Said to her, "Oh, okay." Song said to Feiyu, "Are you so happy right now?" Well, it really seems that she was really happy. Feiyu said she was really especially happy. Like, the heart is really blooming. Well, Song seems to find her really cute. Feiyu, she's a little bit blushing. Song, right now, she feels a little weird. Song suddenly moved closer to Feiyu. "What kind of descriptor do you have? Heart is so blooming, and you have to send to the hospital for rescue." Well, Song seems to be teasing her. It's like, hey, you have some love struck, right? On the other hand, if I have known you were so happy, I wouldn't hide it. You said to her, "It's okay. I'm happy now too." Now, this is getting serious. Feiyu was looking at Song and said to her, "Baby, do it." Well, this is it. The things that we'd been waiting for so long. And now, finally, they've been together and discussing about the trivial things right now. Song said to her so suddenly. Now, she feel confounded. Well, Feiyu said to her suddenly. Well, this girl, their emotion is really heightened and they really can't hide it. I thought about it when you kissed me on the way. Later, when you said that it was my girlfriend in front of so many people, I thought more. Right now, Feiyu, she was trying to calm herself. Also for Song. But right now, Feiyu, she grabbed the hands of Song. Said, "Together. But, take a shower first." Well, Song, now she become vocal. The feelings she want to convene with Feiyu. Well, this is sad. Right now, what a poor dog. It's been left out. The door is closed and the dog is left outside. Well, for the two of them, his feelings is really explainable. Song being vocal, Feiyu accepting her. For it was a laughing, but the feelings is really high. Her emotions are finally being accepted by each other. Song said to Feiyu, "Don't, don't bite." Well, Feiyu has been so aggressive, but right now, she really don't want to. Less, she's trying to restrain herself. Looking at her, it's like it's a long loss finally had been found again. Like a feeling of that, but with a mixed emotion by the two of them. Hey you, I can hold back my strength. Does it hurt? Well, for Song, she moved closer and kissed her. It's like a little nipple. but it seems to be ticklish for song right now. What do you say? Well, it's clearly that Song wants to dispay you so much. That's why she's been holding her back. Song said to her, "It's so cold outside. The water in the bathtub is full. I want to go in and soak." Right now, Feo said to her, "Good. Well, they must really cold. That's why she want to go to bath. The water is overflow." Song said to Feo, "Well, I feel it. Of course, there are the two of them right there. And it's caused the water to flow." And Song right now, "I'm talking about the water in the bathtub." Well, Song was right. Feo, it seems that she was not in herself, and she didn't understand what Song's trying to mean. But Feo right now, she was really blushing. I said so too. Now, this girl, she seems to be unstoppable. Feeling getting stronger, especially right now. That's why everything Song said to her, she wants to ignore it and wants to continue what she wants and trying to do with Song. "You, take your hand out first." Right now, it's not Peyu is not listening to her. It may be a little difficult to take it out now. Peyu said to her, "Also, you won't let me out." Well, this girl is trying to trick her so much. Even though Song said to her, she doesn't listen to her right now. Song continued to call Feiyu. Feiyu is still not listening to her. Instead, move closer to her, trying to calm down. Wrong to call a girlfriend or wife. Song has been teased by Feiyu so much. Feiyu, she won't leave her and let her alone. Well, this is it. Feiyu said to Song, "If you call it wrong, there will be a punishment." Right now, Feiyu has been dominating Song, especially right now. Song can do anything about it, but just to obey the order of Feiyu. Well, this scene is getting good, so we can get more on next chapter. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!